Good morning, my good people. Greetings, greetings. I greet you all in Botswana, in my house. So, guys, my name is Malam Kodikepu. Don't mind me here. I've got a wound. I think it's a headache. So, guys, I bought. You see how our door is not good. So, I bought a vanishing door. I hope it's the one. So, let's vanish and see how. You see how dirty the door was? It was not good, guys. Let's see. Is it? So I'm gonna take you along. I bought this paint. This one. You see it? I don't know whether it's gonna agree with. Let's try this. Let's try and see. Oh, it's gonna come up well. All right, let's do it. So I'm gonna paint this door. I'm gonna paint it because it was not looking nice at all at all. So I'm gonna paint it all, and then I'm gonna show you. So guys, when you come here, you get refreshed. So let's do this. So the door is coming up very well, you see. So it's coming up very well, very well. So if you come here, you will see that these are people. You see how I do it. The door is agreeing with me. The paint is agreeing with me. You see, it's coming up very well. It was not good at all. It was not good at all. At least if I can do this thing. So you see how we do it. So if you don't have a man, you do it for yourself. Hey, these are things that I love to do. These are things that I like to do. So guys, stay tuned and stay connected. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and comment as we go and take this channel to a high. So I'm just gonna finish up here and then take you through my day. So stay tuned and stay connected, guys. So see how beautiful the door is. You see how beautiful it is? You see how I did it? Look how beautiful the door is. So I'm gonna so you see, let's see how good it is. Yes, the door is good. That thing, at first it was so dirty. So we are going to do it here on top. Here on top here. We will do on top. Hey, we will do here. You see, it was dirty. Very dirty. Now we are talking. You see how beautiful it is. Hey, it was so dirty. Now it's like new from the box. So guys, clap hands for me.